Play clock is under 10. One receiver in forward motion, snap to Cahoon, looking downfield. He's going to be hit and wrapped up. Sean Mustin is there for Green Bay.
That was just a bull rush from Sean.
With Mustin, Lofton, and Henry. Handoff up the middle, no fake. Cahoon's going to get wrapped up and dropped again. Sean Mustin, 2 drives, 2 sacks.
And it looks like Sean Mustin is not playing around today. He is here bringing his A game.
Mustin the snapper, Myler the holder. He places it down. Mevis' kick on the way. Does it have the line? It does. Stormers. Cahoon drops back downfield. Williams open again, looking for the end zone. Ball comes free. As it's still loose, Green Bay might have it. It's going to be a touchback in Green Bay football. I'm sure they'll take a look at this.
Make it competitive coming in out of the first half.
Rui, a line drive right to Williams, who botches the return, but Jazarick Peterson off to the races again. Jazarick Peterson flagged down on the block from Andre White. Oh my goodness.
Get another look at it here. Quick cutback right up the right sideline. And wow.
Williams and Bracey in forward motion. High snap, 4-man rush. Cahoon to the end zone. It is incomplete. In and out of the hands of Noden. Turnover on downs forced by Green Bay.
And that ball was bobbling.
The play from the cornerback spot. Another deep shot on 1st and 10 going incomplete. Myler pulls the string, looking downfield, still going. I think he's going to have the first down. As Myler pulls it away from Cagle, but takes off and runs for the first down. Snap to Myler, 4-man rush, downfield, pass caught. Harry Ballard, he is in! Touchdown, Green Bay! Welcome back to the lineup, Harry Ballard III. Still leading by 2, but they've been stopped in their tracks. Cahoon downfield, passes broken up. Cale Jackson was there on the crosser. It was Bracey and Noden downfield, and just up. Receivers in forward motion, snap to Cahoon, hands off to Bracey, but he's dropped in the backfield. It's Tramon Lofton and Andre White there for Green Bay. Green Bay, Davis and Peterson forward motion, snap to Myler, 4-man rush. Downfield looking for Jazarick Peterson. Did he have it? He did! Flags fly, touchdown, Jazarick Peterson. I think that might be for some extracurriculars after the play, but as it stands, Green Bay has the lead. Unbelievable catch by Peterson.
Wow. And what
Mevis had to kick this one away. It's just going to be an onside kick, and that one going to be recovered by Green Bay.
Ballard touched that ball just a little bit early, but
oh no, I think that might have just gone 10 yards. Can they take advantage of it? Myler fakes the handoff to Peterson. Looking downfield, he's got a bit of space. Looks for Peterson inside the 10. Jazarick Peterson making some plays on offense.
That's the Max Myler that we know, able to stay calm in the pockets.
Myler, high snap, fakes it. Myler has a convoy. Touchdown, Green Bay! Another. Cahoon takes a snap, 4-man rush, reverse. Bracey, he's wrapped up and dropped. The clock's going to stop because he went into the wall with 4 seconds. Rui runs up to this one, a line drive fielded by Peterson at the goal line. Peterson up the middle, sidestep, still on his feet. Jazarick Peterson breaking tackles, still spinning on his feet inside Iowa territory. He just won't go down easy.
Gabe Rui has almost squibbed it and has not really worked out in Iowa's favor. You got to think when he's going to start either just trying.
Myler fakes the pitch out. Flag down. Rolling around, has an open man. TJ Davis, touchdown. And this one I think is going to stand. Myler standing strong, dumps off to Cagle. He's got space. Look at him go. Jalen Cagle sidesteps, has a man beat inside the 10. It takes two to tango, and Cagle was dancing all the way with Jared Sod inside the 10. And Myler takes a snap out of the empty, throws downfield, pass is caught by Ballard inside the 5. A diving grab by Ballard. And it's Myler. Sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap. Looking, end zone, pass caught! Harry Ballard again! His second of the game. And the Blizzard out in front by 2 scores.
That was a great route from Harry Ballard. He just had himself wide open, little bit of a...
Cahoon under center, Tate behind him. Handoff to Tate up the left side. He's brought down! Nigel Canada brings down the defensive lineman Tate. And a turnover on downs. Cagle to the right of Myler. Snap, Myler rolls away, has Williams open, has a first down, a lot more. Andre Williams, he's gone! Touchdown, Green Bay! And this game is on ice.
You look back at this replay, I think Mogensen thought that he got pushed into the wall, but no, he did not. He was...
High snap, Cahoon rolling around. He's going to take off, throw downfield, broken up. Cale Jackson again.
What a game it has been from Cale Jackson. Another breakup.
Cahoon drops back again, 3-man rush. Downfield is incomplete. Timed perfectly by Kevin Ransom. His shoulder dislodging the football from Keon Williams, 4th down.
This secondary has just been...
Receivers in forward motion, snap to Cahoon. Steps up, he's hit, it is incomplete! Cale Jackson knocks it away again! Turnover on downs, Green Bay takes over.